Good morning students. Last class we discussed prime numbers and composite numbers. The prime numbers, how to find a prime number, how to find what is a composite number. Is any number is having some factors based upon which number is having only two factors, that number is called prime number, and more than two factors, that number is called the composite number. And that prime number is having only two factors and two factors also. The first factor is number 1, means 1 is the common factor of all numbers. 1 is the common factor of all numbers, and the another factor is itself. Which number we have to take, that number will get the factor. Like that, 1 is having only one factor, that's why 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. Today we will discuss even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers, then just consider, already we discussed one table. On that we separate the multiples of 2, multiples of 3, like that. The multiples of 2 I am taking just multiples of 2 is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that. Already we know there is the multiples of any number is infinite. Already we know that these are two multiples, and this also called even numbers. Which number is the multiple of 2, that number is called even number. Otherwise, in one's place, what are the numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers, especially these numbers, in one's place, that particular number is called even number. For example, 98 is a even number. Why? Because in one's place we have which value? 8 is there. One's place we have 8. That's why 98 is the even number. Okay, like that, odd numbers. Odd numbers means, the odd numbers is nothing but when should divide any number with 2, will get remainder 1. Will divide any number with 2, will get remainder 1. These numbers are called odd numbers. For example, odd numbers will start from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. These are called odd numbers, and these are called even numbers. Even numbers, these are odd numbers. See, in odd numbers, any number have to take, should divide with 2, where should, for example, 3 divided by 2 will get remainder is 1. Just I will check with 7. 3 2s are 6, remainder 1. Okay, like that, 107, 107. 2 5s are 10, next 7, 2 3s are 6, remainder 1. Means in remainder is 1, in which number is divided by 2 will get remainder 1. That all numbers are called odd numbers. Which number is divided by 2 will get remainder 0. Those numbers are called even numbers. Remainder will be 0 with 2. These numbers are called even. Remainder 1 with 2. Remainder is 1 is dividing with 2 will get, then the numbers are called odd numbers. Okay, these are the even numbers, these are the odd numbers. In numbers will start the first odd number, next even number, next odd number, next even number. Means will get alternatively, will get in normal numbers also, naturally even numbers and natural even numbers, and even numbers and odd numbers is special type of numbers in natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am taking from 1 to 10. Then 1 is odd number, 2 is even number, 3 is odd number, 4 is even number, 5 is odd number, 6 is even number, 7 odd, like that 9 also odd, and remaining 8 is even, and 10 also even numbers. Okay, not only these numbers, in ones place these numbers means even numbers is in ones place any number. For example, 7689, don't consider remaining numbers in ones place. Which is the number is in ones place? The number is 9. 9 is actual 9 is odd. That's way 7689 also odd number, is odd number, like that. 2 2 2 1 2221 is even number or odd number, we'll check. Now actually 2 is odd even number, in thousands place is even number, hundreds place also even number, tens place also even number, but we have to consider ones place. In ones place what is the value? 1 is odd. That way a whole number 2221 is a odd number. Okay, like that 99,990 is this value is even or odd? Is undoubtedly even. Why? Because in ones place we have 0. Already we said no. In ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is numbers is there, that numbers are called even numbers, except remaining numbers are there, that numbers are called, those numbers are called odd numbers. Okay, these are even numbers and odd numbers. And one more thing important, 2. Actually 2 is even number. Why? Because 2 is multiple of 2. We are doing division with 2, we will get a remainder 0, and factors of 2 is equal to, factors of 2 is equal to 1, 2, then 2 is prime number also. 2 is prime number also. And the smallest even number is 2, the first even number is 2, and the first prime number is 2, and smallest even prime number is 2 only. Smallest even prime number is 2. We can say one and only even prime number also 2 only. One and only even prime number also 2 only. Why? Because have to take remaining even numbers. Remaining even numbers is having the factor is extra 2. Actually we'll take 10. Otherwise 4 will take 4. The factors of 4. The factors of 4 is 1, 2, 4. The factors of 4 is 1, 2. The factors of 4 is 1, 2, 4. Actually 4 is having 3 factors. That's why 4 is not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number. Is the factors of 2 is 1 and 2. 2 is a prime number and 2 is a even number. Not only 4, have to take any even number, will get compulsory the common factor will be 2. Why? Because 2 is the common factor of every even number. That's why every even number is not a prime number except 2. 2 is one and only even prime number. Now we'll check some points. Then even number, the sum of two even numbers, sum of two odd numbers, what will get? Even plus even is equal to even only. Means, for example, 2 is even number and 4 is even number, will get 6. The sum of two even numbers is always even number. The sum of the difference of two even numbers also even. The difference of two even numbers also, for example, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. The difference of two even numbers also will get even number. Next, the sum of one even number, one odd number will get odd number. The sum of one even number, one odd number will get odd number. For example, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 3 is the odd number and 11 also odd number. The difference between odd number and even number also odd number. The difference between even number and odd number also will get, what is that? Odd number only. See, for example, same 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, the sum of two even numbers is even number. The difference of two even numbers also even number. The sum of one even number, one odd number is odd number. The difference of one even number, one odd number also odd number. Like that, the sum of two odd numbers, the sum of two odd numbers also even number. The sum of two odd numbers also even number. For example, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Means 7 is the odd number and 3 also odd number. When you have to add these two numbers, we'll get answer is 10, means even number. Like that, odd number, the difference between two odd numbers also even number. Means 7 minus 3, same combination I am taking here, will get answer is 4. 4 is the even number. The difference between two even numbers, two odd numbers also even number. The sum of one even number, one odd number, otherwise the difference of one even number, one odd number will get odd number. Okay, we are taking same combinations mean we will get even, different combination means we will get odd. Okay, like that in product also we have to consider the product of one even number, one odd number also will get even number only. The product of, see, even number into odd number will get even number only, otherwise write full. Again will confuse. The product of even number into odd number will get even number. The product of even number into even number will get even number. The product of odd number into odd number will get odd number. Means this is even, this also even, this is the odd. Okay, the product of two, the product of one even number, one odd number will get even number. The product of two even numbers also even number. The product of two odd numbers will get odd number. Okay, don't be confused. Next, some problems is there. Some problems. For example, express the following: the sum of two odd primes. The sum of two odd primes. Odd primes. Actually, all prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. Only we have one only even prime number. And the first one is 44. 44 want to take the sum of two prime numbers. The two odd numbers want to take. Just here 23 plus 11. We can take 23 plus 11 will get 44. Otherwise 37 plus 7 we can take 37 plus 7. Okay, one more combination. Next one more number. I am taking just two combinations. Next number is 18. Next number is 18. 18 how to take? Is 11 plus 7. Otherwise 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5. Otherwise 15. 15 plus 3 wrong. Why? Because 15 is not a prime number. 15 is a composite number. Next, that's it. Two numbers only. We have two combinations, 11 plus 7, 13 plus 5. Actually 2 is a even prime number and 3 means 3 plus 15 will come. 15 is not a prime number and 5 plus 13 is over. 7 plus 11 is over. Like that. One more problem we will check. 24. 24 how to write? 11 plus 13 is one combination. 11 plus 13 is one combination and 17 plus 7 one combination. 17 plus 1. This is first combination, second. First, second. Okay? Like that. Don't be confused again. I am writing just combinations. 17 plus 7 also we can write. Then next 13 plus over, 17 is over, 19. 19 plus 5 also we can write. 19 plus 5 also. Here three combinations came. This is 1, this is 2, 1, this is 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, like this we have to write the sum of two odd primes is a some numbers. Not only like just like a puzzle. Okay, in that some more blanks also we have the smallest even prime number. Already we discussed the smallest even prime number is 2 and 1 is not a prime number nor a composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite and 2 even prime number. Even prime number. Okay, next 3. 3 is the odd means smallest odd prime number. 3 is the smallest odd prime number. Next 4 is smallest composite number. Smallest composite number. Like this we have to write so many types of numbers. Okay students, in this class we completed even numbers and odd numbers and some of the combinations of prime numbers and the even prime numbers and smallest composite numbers. Okay, the smallest odd prime numbers we discussed. Next class we will continue some more topics on the test of divisibility and some topics we will continue. Okay, thank you.